This is worksheet 46 for pre-calculus, and we are needing to solve for the x, and so the base of 243 and a base of 9, you have to think of a way to rewrite each of those with the same base. And 243 is a little high, so instead of looking at that, I looked at the 9, and I can rewrite 9 with a base of 3. So 1/9 would be 3 to the negative second power. And 243, I used a calculator and figured out that I could rewrite 243 with a base of 3 and an exponent of 5. So I want to take 3 to the power of 5 for the 243, all to the power of negative 2x plus 3. Then your bases are the same. So once you have a base of 3 and a base of 3, you can take 5 to the power of negative 2x plus 3. So I'm just going to distribute it there and set that equal to the exponent of negative 2. So when you distribute the 5, you get 5 times negative 2x, which is negative 10x, and 5 times 3, which is 15. Then you're going to subtract 15 from both sides and then divide both sides by negative 10.